What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Taylor and this is the 907 Fantasy Sports Betting page. So this was the free pick yesterday. Let's just hop right into it. Florida sold. Florida, I am speechless. I'm just going to go on a little rant here, but before I do, make sure you go down there, like the video, subscribe to the channel. That really does help me out. But Utah Mammoths, they got 6 goals. Easy cash there. California, that was a little bit of a sweat, but they came back and finished the game out good. Hit that one, and then Florida just sold us. Carson Beck, I just have to say, 4 interceptions in a game. 4. You are so overhyped. He was leading, I don't know necessarily leading, but he was in the Heisman race there. And he throws 4 interceptions against an unranked Louisville Cardinals team. I'm not saying Louisville's bad, but if you throw 4 interceptions, 0 touchdowns, and you lose the game when you're undefeated and you're the number 2 ranked team in the country, oh man, that one hurt. That one hurt. So VIP had an amazing day. Can't complain there, but that one did hurt. I thought for sure Miami was winning it, but they sold on us. And if Miami would have won, we would have went 7-0 on VIP. Instead, we went 5-2. So can't complain. We still had a profitable, good day, but that one did hurt. Coming over to what we're going with today. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, they're giving out $20 of absolutely free money today. No deposit necessary. Just use the code 907fantasy when you're signing up. $20 of absolutely free money to go and play with. No deposit necessary. They're also going to give you this Michael Penix free square for Sunday NFL football. Use the code 907fantasy when signing up there as well. Same with over here. They're on BETR. They're going to give you $10 plus $200 bonus on your first deposit, plus this Michael Penix free pick when you use code 907fantasy when signing up. So I love all 3 of these apps. Those are all down in the description below. If you need any of those links to get signed up, that'll take you and that'll input the promo code there so that you get the welcome bonus. I do get a little bit of bonus there too as well. So love that. Little recap of yesterday. Some of the VIP winners. We hit this one. Blue Jays, Mariners over. North Carolina, California under. Then Utah Mammoths over. We hit the Utah Mammoths over again. California money line. Tony and Moss over. Tony and Sagapalutule, I think you'd say it. I don't know. But we hit that one. And we hit the California Bears on the money line as well. So nice, profitable, winning day yesterday. So can't complain. Love that. And because of that, I restocked and I got 3 more. I just use the same promo code. It's just easier that way. But I restocked 3 more. We sold out of the last 3. So if you use the code Flacco, it's going to get you 80% off of the VIP gold level or the full week pass. And guys, you're going to want to hop on this. We just got hot the last 2 days. We had an amazing Thursday. We had an amazing Friday. And Saturday and Sunday, we're going to run it up. So make sure to go and get over there. Get on one of these plans. Use the code Flacco and get 80% off. Once again, that's limited to the first 3 people. So it's going to sell out fast. So take advantage of that. Coming over here, though, let's take a look at what games are going on today, and then we will get into the free pick. So LSU Vanderbilt, that should be a great game. Vanderbilt's actually favored by 2.5. There, Georgia Tech Duke, Baylor at TCU. That's going to be a high-scoring game. That would be a fun game to watch. A lot of passing there. Another one that's going to be a good one. There's going to be a lot of good games on, but Texas A&M, Arkansas should be a fun one. Ole Miss, Georgia, that should be a great game. Let's take a look here. Texas Tech, I like them on the money line. Arizona State's overhyped. Oregon, they lost last week, so they're going to come out firing. They're going to be mad, pissed off. Take Oregon money line for sure. Texas. Penn State is frauds. USC Notre Dame, that should be a great game. Alabama and Tennessee, that should be another good game. And then the Holy War, Utah at BYU. This game should be a great game. 6 p.m. tonight at BYU. 2 ranked teams. That should be a fun game. I'm here in Utah, so it's rocking this week with the Holy War. So those are some of the ones that I like. But let's go over here to PrizePicks, and we'll lock in a free play for today. So let's go over here, and let's go to receiving yards. And then I do like some of these. I like Michael Trigg here, over 39.5. It just depends some days who Sawyer Robinson likes to pass to. He likes Josh Cameron and Michael Trigg, but we'll take Trigg over 40 receiving yards. And then another one that I'm loving is coming down here, Casey Concepcion, over 40 receiving yards as well. So he's been getting average of 75 over the last 5. Love that line there. And then lastly, there is one more that I'm loving here. And it is down here, USC, Makai Lemon. He is a beast. He's going to go to the NFL this year. But Makai Lemon, 60 receiving yards. He's averaging 118 over the last 5. Lock that in. We're going to take those 3, and then we'll probably put in one more that I'm liking here for passing. And that is, where is he? Let's take a look at Sawyer Robinson over 250. He's hit this in 4 of the last 5, averaging 327. Along with, we could take a look at Josh Hoover here. Let's see what his lines are at, though. We take him over 250 as well. Once again, he's hit this in 4 of the last 5. This should be a high-scoring shootout game. We could go there. Take Josh Hoover out. And Sawyer. All right, that's going to be the free pick. Is we are going to do. Ooh, I don't know. I want a little more of a payday than 750. Let's see here. We could go Taylon Green, Marcel Reed. Who are we looking for? Who are we looking for here? Indiana Mendoza. Don't love that. Okay, well, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take Michael Trigg and Sawyer Robinson over 39.5 receiving yards for Michael Trigg. Casey Concepcion over 40 receiving yards. Makai Lemon over 60 receiving yards. Sawyer Robinson over 250 passing yards. That is the official free pick. Locking that in right now. Perfect. We got that locked in. View it here. Go get that locked in over on PrizePicks or wherever else you're playing. Like I said, VIP Gold level and the full week pass are 80% off right now with the code FLACCO. So go over there. That's limited to the first 3 people, so get locked in there. If you guys want, go over there, get on the free plan. It's free to do. Send out lots of free plays there. But good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day and go cash some more slips today. So get on VIP, do yourself a favor, and make some money this weekend. So let's go pay some rent. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow for some NFL football. Peace out.